the Laguerre Volume Index Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we execute the indicator. Just make sure to activate the Allow DLL Imports option from the Command section, and then click the Confirm button. Once the indicator is executed on the chart, an oscillator window is displayed at the bottom of the chart. The Laguerre Volume Indicator is a practical and useful tool designed to understand the strength and direction of trading volume, to analyze volume changes, and identify bullish and bearish trends. The levels of 0.25, 0.50, and 0.75 are placed in the oscillator. When the price is below the 0.50 level, it indicates the strength of sellers, and when the oscillator is above the 0.50 level, it indicates the strength of buyers. We can also use an indicator in the direction of the trend. For example, when we are in a downtrend, if the price is above the 0.75 level and then breaks below the 0.75 level, we can consider it as a sell signal or a prediction of a downward trend. Similarly, when we are in a downtrend and the price breaks above the 0.25 level, we can predict a trend correction or a trend reversal. And when we are in an uptrend, if the price breaks above the 0.25 level, we can predict a continuation of the uptrend. Similarly, when we are in an uptrend, if the oscillator moves down from the 0.75 level, we can anticipate a corrective trend. After that, if the price moves up again and breaks the 0.25 level, we can consider the continuation of the uptrend. In the settings section, there are various options available for us. And in the first part, there is the gamma option, which is the smoothing ratio that affects the indicator's response speed to volume changes. And by changing the second part, which is the shift option, the oscillator moves to the right by 10 with positive value changes and moves to the left with negative value changes. And in the last section, there is the theme or custom template option for the indicator, which includes 4 modes: auto, light, dark, and custom. When selecting the auto option, only the color of the candles changes, with bullish candles turning light green and bearish candles turning light red. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart. And by selecting the custom option, it retains your customized template and only applies the indicator to the chart. Here I choose the dark theme and change the gamma value to 0.50, and then I confirm the changes. As you can see here, my template has changed to a dark color, and the calculated values of my oscillator have also changed. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.